Hello, it's Cody McCollum, and this is my image processing project. The code's already compiled and running. We got the first image displayed here, and user interface here with brightness adjustment, contrast adjustment, median filter, on-off radio button, some resets. Over here we have previous and next in the choose image category. It's displaying the current image, total number of images, and save current image. So we can index between images. Trying to access an image that doesn't exist. You're on the first image and you're trying to go backwards, so it pops up an error. Same if we go try to access image number 29 when there's only 28 images, it'll give you an error. We can perform the median filter, turn it on and off, adjust brightness, adjust the contrast, which becomes oversaturated sometimes and looks weird, but sometimes it works decently well. Yeah. Reset, etc. Also, you can save the current image. We'll just if we hit save image, as you can see, the image has been saved. We can save the image again. So they save with unique file names every time. So this time I changed the name of the meta file, and it doesn't exist, just to show that it alerts the user that the meta file is not read. From here we can't do much. To take it a step further, I probably would make all these buttons inactive if this scenario occurred, but for this project this is good enough, I suppose. So this time I changed the name of one of the images. So the file name from the meta file, this image, since I changed the name, the file name is not within the meta file, so it was not able to successfully read one of the images. So we're almost out of time. That's the end of the project. Thank you.